Good evening. Nearly 500 healthcare workers in Maui County will be walking off the job, and they'll be going on strike at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning.
They include nurses' aides, respiratory therapists, housekeepers, and cooks at Maui Memorial Medical Center, Kula Hospital, and Lanai Community Hospital. Those are hospitals under Kaiser's Maui Health. And
KITV4's Jeremy Lee has more on these breaking developments. Jeremy, we just heard about the Kaiser situation on Oahu. What are the sticking points there on Maui?
Well, Tom and Marissa, they weren't willing to divulge those details just yet, but members of United Public Workers were given a last, best, and final offer, and they turned it down. Now, those members will strike rather than go forward with a tentative agreement struck last week after arbitration. The three facilities under Kaiser's Maui Health will have to prepare for being hit with a walkout. Members voted by a 97% majority to authorize the strike. Workers have been under a contract extension since last June. State Director Kalani Werner told KITV4 requests have been reasonable from the workers' side, who have been serving the community through the pandemic, inflation, and staffing shortages.
Because it's important the public actually know that a lot of our members still are required to do the swab test. They're still required to go through that daily with the mask mandates and everything. So it's about the offers that's being provided still hasn't met to their standard, to their what they're hoping to achieve. Do you want someone who's caring for your loved one, your grandma, your grandpa, your wife, your husband, to be exhausted, overworked, and providing that essential care to your loved one? You want them to be able to be fully staffed, to be able to be fully alert, and to be able to give that 100% care that you want when you take someone to the hospital.
Back in December, UPW members held a public picket line to call attention to the issue of wages. KITV4 reached out to Maui Health after the news broke in the early evening, but we have not yet received comment. Maui Health has appeared optimistic as of last Friday, encouraging workers to approve the tentative agreement. All that has changed as the strike is set to begin tomorrow. Reporting live, Jeremy Lee, KITV4 Island News.